a bit. I don't know what to say here. Ow. Yeah. Learning this one way really. What? Oh guys, this girl, where's this picture? Whatever. Why is this going on? Cheese? Oh, they are Christmas. Oh my god, is it Christmas? I want one. Okay, so bonjour, hola, sarala, satala. Oh my god. Ow. Ow. Ah! Hey bitches, what the fuck are you doing? Bitch, I have to. Why are you here like this? You're gonna die. Bitch, I have dyslexia. I don't know how to write. I just want to see my parents. Yeah, actually, that's not allowed to die. Oh, bitch, what the fuck? Oh my god, stop. Please don't kill me. I have dyslexia. Bitch, I don't care. This is a paper spoon. You die with it. What the fuck? Yum. Yum, yum, yum. What the hell? We love Alice. Bitch, what the fuck? Oh, hi, I'm a sim for Alice. Oh wow, let me get book. Ah, what the fuck? Alice is rude to that after or Oliver will beat you up because he's a sim for Alice. I totally didn't say anything. Alice, my girlfriend. Alice. Oh, these bitches pushed me down. I have to now go back home. Bitch, you feel my dust. Let me hide. Where are you? Hello. You failed my class too. Bitch, I have dyslexia too. Hello, you failed every of our classes. Let me out. Oh, there's space. Let me go. No, please, don't scare me. I'm a sip for you, Claire. Now go run. I didn't run, bitch. Okay, I'm gonna leave you because I don't like you anyways. What the flop? Hi. The exit. Wait, no, bitch. Don't come on. I look like Alice's sister now. My own sister is gonna come on. No. Wow, I'm a fairy. Come here, bitch. Why did you fail? Oh wait, never mind. I'm gonna get killed by my. The school becomes colorful. When it becomes colorful, what the flip? Tap to teleport and cheat. Tap to dance, bitch. Wow, the school is colorful. Cool. I have fun. No, my baby girl.